Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the VBA editor and inserting your user form. This is where you'll place the picture. Next, add an image control from the toolbox and position it roughly where you want the graphic to appear. Once done, give the control a sensible name property so you can reference it in code and adjust size mode to maintain aspect ratio. You're doing this first so the control exists before you load any file. That makes the next step straightforward and reliable. Now you'll wire up the image control to load a picture. This is where code matters. In the Userform initialize event or a command button click, set image 1. Picture equals load picture. See \path to \file. JPG, so VBA reads the file when the form opens. If you want user selection, call a file dialog or common dialog to return the path, then pass that path to load picture. Make sure the path is valid and the file format is finished by polishing behavior and adding resilience. Wrap load picture in error handling so you can inform the user if the file fails to load. Also make sure the image path is correct and accessible. Relative paths require the working folder to match. If the picture looks stretched, change the image. Size mode property or prescale the file to the control's dimensions. One key troubleshooting tip: if load picture silently fails, confirm the file extension is supported and test with a known good JPG to isolate permission versus format issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.